You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is originally, it has different origins, but one of them is from the Bible. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, stay tuned. From Portuguese, Lais, also Catalan pronunciation, Lais, Spanish, Lais, French pronunciation, Lais. So yes, in English the pronunciation is also Lais. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Brazilian Lais as well, Brazilian Portuguese. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.